And we're back to learning Affinity in the year day 34. Let me show you the make same option. In vector mode on the top left vector, we can use the alignment right here, summoned on the top right, and there is a make same option. You can see we've got two rectangles with a different width and height, and depending on what is selected first, this will be the reference, and last will then be adjusted according to the reference. So here we have the red one selected first, blue one last, therefore the blue one gets adjusted. Let me invert it. I select blue one first and I hold shift when I left click on the red one. This will be selected last and then this will be adjusted. This doesn't just go for width and height, it also works for rotation. And finally, we have a maintain aspect ratio option. Let me show you that on a new example. So I have two rectangles of different width and height. You make that bluish again. I select it all. I use the width option. Blue one gets adjusted. And when I maintain the aspect ratio, height will be adjusted accordingly, and vice versa with the height. If I make that the same, then the width will be adjusted according to the aspect ratio of the original blue rectangle size. Once again, you need to be in vector mode. So if you can't see that option, switch at the top left to vector, and then you should be able to see it. And this is the make same option in Affinity. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.